This demonstration will provide an overview of the interoperability between Canon Technologies' Yukon AMR system and Exceleron Software's prepaid management system using the Multispeak version 3 web services. In order for the Multispeak web services to be utilized, we must first define the interface with Exceleron. In Yukon, we use a setup page where the Multispeak parameters are defined and interfaces can be enabled. We select the company name of Exceleron, and then we verify the Multispeak web services are communicating by selecting the ping test link beside an enabled interface. Conversely, in order for Exceleron to establish and utilize Multispeak, it is necessary to first establish specific rules in PowerWorks to permit required connectivity. This is accomplished through a rules wizard by creating specific vendors such as Canon. This allows Exceleron to associate rules with specific vendors. A sample rule is Multispeak CD CB URL. Select the rules and select the rule level of vendor. Select Canon to display the appropriate value for Canon connectivity. In this case, the value is Canon's URL. Various connectivity testing can also occur to ensure that needed information can be obtained. For instance, Multispeak is called to ensure connectivity for automated disconnect and reconnect orders and meter reads. Information regarding what type of data can be pulled relative to meters is presented here and obtained through calling Multispeak. During the prepaid management system account setup process, it is necessary for PAMs to communicate with Yukon to obtain historical usage information. To accomplish this, PAMs makes a web service call containing the meter number to the Yukon AMR system, which in turn returns the requested data back to PAMs. This historical usage is used by customer service representatives to help the consumer understand his daily usage. We will now switch to the Canon Technologies Yukon Web Commander to view the same reading. We search in Yukon for the meter number sent from PAMs. We select the meter from the search results. Here we see the recent usage reading, which is the same value that was displayed in PAMs. Once an account becomes active, it is necessary for PAMs to receive the previous day's usage on a daily basis in order to properly charge the customer. This is an automated process that occurs as a scheduled task and requires no user interaction. To see that the usage has been received, a CSR may access an account and select View Usage. We now switch to the Canon Technologies Reports module. We can view the same usage readings that PAMs displayed for the active account in Yukon. We enter the meter number and run the point data interval report. Here we see the same archived usage readings that PAMs received using the Multispeak web services. Another important aspect of the Multispeak integration is the ability to perform automatic disconnections and reconnections without CSR or meter department intervention. When an account's balance falls below the required minimum, PAMS generates a disconnect order. At a predetermined time, all accounts with pending disconnect orders are disconnected using the disconnect web service. Upon confirmation from Yukon the disconnect was successful, the disconnect order in PAMS is completed and the status of the meter is set to suspended. We return to the Yukon system to verify the disconnected status. We will enter the meter number and select the meter to enter into its command interface. After one full demand interval has passed, the meter's disconnected state can be verified by reading the state from the meter. If there has been no load on the meter since the disconnect command was initiated, the meter reports back a disconnected state. Here we see the meter was successfully disconnected. Once a credit balance has been reestablished, the meter will automatically be reconnected via a multi-speak web service. The process begins with a reconnect order that is generated when the credit balance is reestablished. The reconnect order triggers a call to the reconnect web service, which in turn energizes the meter. Just as before, we will verify that the meter was reconnected by reading the state from the meter. We will enter the meter number, select the meter, and enter into its command interface. Once there's been a load on the meter since the connect command was initiated, the meter reports back a connected state. Here we see the meter was successfully reconnected. Yukon logs all multi-speak web service activity. We enter into the Yukon reporting module to generate a system log report. Check the multi-speak log type and click Go. This report shows the Exceleron PAMS system multi-speak web service call along with the description of the activity. Once this process is completed, Yukon confirms the completion with PAMS, and the reconnect order is completed, and the meter status is restored to active.